Okay, so today we got a base Craftsman FJ75 J base copy. He wants to do a Coppersheilding Pro setup, electronics overhaul. Other than that, the guitar plays well right now. If you need any of these jobs done, you can let me know on 84189951. Enjoy the rest of the video. I see you at the end. Bye. Okay, good morning boss. Base is done. So yeah, new strings, Diadario. Then I already clean up the gearing for the tuners. Other than that, I think it can go a bit lower, but if the buzzing is a bit high, like I mentioned before, if the buzzing is a bit excessive, then I need to bring up lah. So this one is for you to try out. Then after that, electronics, I swapped out everything, rewire. Then after that, what we call it, there's an orange cap inside together with the copper shielding. Other than that, the guitar is all good. So yeah. Okay, no check. good. Let me know when you want to pick up. Hope to see you soon. Bye. Okay, so I hope you like the videos. If you're wondering what is this is a cable holder for your cable jackets. So if you do any pro setup, you will receive this for free. I will give you one piece for free. If you want to get it a la carte, you can get from me at $6 plus postage. So yeah, so it keeps your cable neat and tidy. Usually after I put the cable, I will loop it around so it cuts the slack a bit more. So let me know if you want either one of these or you want to do a pro setup. I hope to see you soon. Bye. Okay, if you need my help, you can WhatsApp me on 84189951. I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye.